Hello friends, welcome to VK lectures. In this lecture, we will be discussing the question number 62 from Karnataka Set 2024 Physics question paper. To Einstein's equation of translational Brownian motion, the mean square of the displacement of Brownian particle during the time interval tau is given is four options are there. The parameters on which the mean square displacement of Brownian particle depends on. Okay, now let us see what is the formula. The mean square displacement for Brownian particle over time tau is given by mod x square, or mean of x square is equal to 2 kbt by 6 pi eta r times tau, and where this mod x is mean value, this is the mean square displacement, mean square displacement kb is Boltzmann constant, T is temperature, absolute temperature, then eta is viscosity of the fluid, viscosity of fluid, r is the radius of the particle, and tau is the time interval as given in the question, time interval, and this is time interval between collisions. Now let us see the options. Proportional to time interval tau, yes, it's proportional to time interval tau. Proportional to the temperature, yes, it's proportional to absolute temperature. Proportional to viscosity of the fluid, no, it's inversely proportional, inversely proportional. Then inversely proportional to the particle radius, yes, this is also true. So A, B and D are true, A, B and D. So option 1 is the correct.